ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have a speaking practice using a conversation at the birthday party. Whose birthday is it today?
It's Sarah's birthday.
What's your favorite part of your birthday?
I love opening presents.
Are you excited for your birthday cake?
Yes, I can't wait for cake.
What's your favorite flavor of birthday cake?
I like chocolate cake.
Do you have any fun games planned?
We are playing musical chairs.
How many friends did you invite to your party?
I invited 10 friends.
How old are you turning, Sarah?
I'm turning 8.
What's your favorite gift so far?
I love the stuffed teddy bear.
Do you have a favorite party decoration?
I like the colorful balloons.
Do you like playing with your friends at your party?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Are you wearing a special birthday outfit?
Yes, I have a princess dress on.
What's your favorite game to play at your party?
We love playing pin the tail on the donkey.
What's your favorite party snack?
I like popcorn and gummy bears.
Do you like to sing happy birthday song?
Yes, it's my favorite part.
What's your birthday party theme?
It's a unicorn theme party.
What's your birthday party color scheme?
It's pink and purple.
Are you going to give out goodie bags to your friends?
Yes, they had toys and candy.
Are you going to make Birdie's speech?
I'm going to thank everyone for coming.
Do you like the decoration in your party?
Yes, they are so pretty.
Are you going to have a pinata at your party?
Yes, and I can't wait to break it.
Are you going to blow out the candles?
Yes, and I hope to make a big wish.
What's your favorite birthday memory so far?
I love the first game we played.
Are you planning to play any more games?
Yes, we are playing Duck Duck Goose next.
Are you going to take a lot of photos at your party?
Yes, we want to remember this day.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza the most.
Did you make a birthday wish yet?
Not yet, I'm saving it for later.
Do you like the decoration on your birthday cake?
Yes, they are so cute.
What's the most exciting part of your party?
Everything is exciting.
Are you going to open more presents?
Yes, after cake and games.
What's your birthday party's grand finale?
We'll have a fireworks show.